mo tayo mo laro ko naglarap. Ito yung ginambalan mo lang kasi dito mo ba to.
Hindi na ko tao.
Sakit man sa kuwan.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning, esteemed guests, leaders, partners, and our brilliant community of farmers and fisherfolk. Can you feel the heartbeat of Tigbawan thumping in this arena? We're not just here for an event. We are here to celebrate the hands that feed our nation, the pioneers of our products, and the heroes of our harvest. Welcome to the grand opening day of our Farmers and Fisherfolk Week 2025.
Before we dive into today's rich program, let us